Go. Chico, Chico. Get Chico. Get Chico. Or Chico will get you. Get Chico. Get Chico. Where's Chico? Oh, give Chico a kiss. Give him a kiss, Jack. Give Chico a kiss. Give him another kiss. Give him a kiss. There's the two good buddies going at it again. They're gonna kill each other. Look at them. It's a full-out attack. A leopard Catahoula hound attacking, let's see, dwarf miniature. Yeah, maybe? What was he? His father's dwarf and his mother is miniature, so whatever he is, he's just a wild goat. Peace, peace. Guys, say hi to the camera. What about you, Cheeky? Are you going to say hi to the camera? Guess not. Peace out from the gang.